Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Today we are going to review the new app of UPSTOX. So if you have already traded by now, I'm sure you'll be knowing the importance of a trading app. Its speed, interface and ease to use, etc. So it's important for a broker to keep updating their app time to time. So finally UPSTOX has decided to create its totally new app by making a difference not just for them, even for its users. So if you're already using an UPSTOX app, you can download the new app from the Play Store. Do check it out after watching this video because a lot of them will be migrating to the new app slowly. So without wasting more time, let's dive into the app. Alright, so if you guys go into the Play Store, you can download this UPSTOX New. You can search for UPSTOX New. It's a totally new app, not the old one. And once you download, you can open and log in with your phone number also. Because you would have given a registered number, you can log in with your registered number. It will take to your account directly. And then based on your mobile number which you have given, it will open that particular account only. And this is how the main page looks like. It looks totally different from the old app, how it is. So you know how the theming was and how it is if you already used it. Let me say this is where you can add your stocks. So you can add your scripts, cash, FNO, currency, commodity if you are trading that. So this is where you can add your stocks. Apart from that, whichever stock you add, for example, I have added here, let's say I've added Reliance over here, right? So if you see all the related news to Reliance only will be coming here. So that is one good thing which they have added. So if you add any other stock here, you will get to know the related news. So if any good news is there, bad news is there, based on that you will be getting an alert. So don't need to check one secondary app or something. So every information is given in one page itself. So you can create your list based on indices or stocks and all that. So you have that options here. Apart from that, you have a trade column here. This tab trade. Here itself you have your positions, your holdings and your orders, everything in one single tab. So before we used to have a portfolio in one side, orders in one more tab. So everything is given in one single tab. Apart from that, we have something called Discover. So what they have given Discover is such, for example, you have an IPO, you apply for an IPO, or you have a mutual fund, you want to check your mutual fund, don't need to log into one more app and search and all that. Every information is given here itself, so you can directly check into those. You can explore new ones, you can get to know which are the new IPOs, and you can invest directly and check out what is the status, everything here itself. Even mutual funds, you will get to know which are the mutual funds available, their performance, and based on that, your portfolio also you will get to know over here. Apart from that, I see something that is very good thing is the scanners, because we normally go and scan a lot of things, right? So these are the scanners, movers and shakers, 1 week high, 1 month high stocks, 52 week stocks, 1 month low stocks, 1 week low stocks, 52 week low stocks, only buyers, only sellers. So few information we used to refer to money control separately, but those informations have already been put here. Apart from that, we have top gainers list and the sectoral list also. Let's say you are looking into certain sector. Let's say automobile is a performing sector today. So you want to know which is the performing stock in automobile sector. So you can sort out based on this information, highest percentage to lowest percentage. Let's say Tata Motors over here, let's say 6.79%. So I will get to know which are the stock performing in automobile good today. So based on that, I'll be taking advantage. So that's up to me how I do it. So based on your strategy or how you do things, you can choose your sector or add your filters here. And top losers, and then we have something called smart investing here. This is a list created by UPSTOX itself, so based on certain criteria. So top ROCE list is here. If you see if you want to know, these are the stocks added by them, related news will be below. And if you want to know more about this list, the information is given here, so you can go through and take your decision. So like this, we have a lot of list, view all. So these are the list created by them. And then we have this inbox column. Any messages, anything has to be informed, you will get to know here. Anything you want to learn, every information is given here. And let's say wallet is there, rewards, account settings, reports, your ledger, everything you can go through here itself. Everything in one single app is what they're trying to do as far as I see right now. So most of us will be using the old app. So this is a new app, side by side, parallelly you can explore, get used to it. And once you start shifting, do with a less quantity, see if there is any issue or something. And once you feel comfortable how it works, then you can use it. So that was more about the new app of UPSTOX. So do let me know in the comments what is your opinion about this new app. See you soon with more videos on trading. Till then, take care, stay safe.